Oh, this is nice driving out here at the farm.
Look at all the
Sure is a
animals.
pretty day.
Hold up. There's some animals in the road. Don't run them over.
Who's gonna get out and get it?
All right, hang on.
Look at this cute rabbit on the farm. Drive, let's go.
Love driving on the farm. Hey, that reminds me, tomorrow at school, it's just like a farmer day.
That's right.
Sounds fun.
Wear your overalls. Oh, there's another one. Look.
All right, hold on. Don't hit it.
He's definitely gonna poop on you. Yeah.
Poop on her. Come on, baby. Poop on this tire.
Doing back there, Miss John? How's your bunny?
This is the cutest bunny ever.
So cute. You cute too.
Hey, look, there's a cow in the road.
We're not putting the cow in the car. No,
yeah.
Miss Miller, we're not putting the cow in the car.
I think we should pick up the cow.
There's a little bit of room. We can put the cow in
It's
the
a
car.
baby cow. I think it'll fit.
Okay.
little.
Well,
It's
yeah. She's so cute.
Come on, baby. You want to ride in our car?
Oh,
Come on.
hop on in.
All right.